Good boy, Tom. How's our Tootsie doing?
Tootsie? Not another mouth to feed.
It's not going to be expensive to feed her. Just one food pellet per meal. Look, Rick, she loves it. See? And they're relaxing to watch after a hard day's work. Tootsie, show Rick. Run on your wheel.
Okay, let's give it a try. But if one more animal enters this house, then someone's got to go. I'm starving. Honey, how's that steak coming along?
Steak? What steak? It's leftover casserole. What's all the noise? Thomas, what are you doing? This is no time for playing around. I want to check on Tootsie.
Move, cat!
Want even more Boomerang? Click on one of the videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.